You see, male grooming in Vietnam is exceptional, and I wanted to have a unique experience with my subscribers, so I said, let's go get a hot talk happy ending in Vietnam with all of them, and that's what this video is about. Basically what we're gonna get is we're gonna get a little facial, we're gonna get our ears cleaned, our hair washed, and of course the introduction is a beautiful tea.
Cheers,
cheers my brother.
Yeah.
Dude, I haven't had my ears cleaned in a long time, and I've actually had issues with my ear recently because when I'm underwater for too long, I don't know, water gets stuck in there, so I'm really thrilled about this. You don't know how awesome an ear clean is until you get your ears cleaned in Vietnam. You gotta do it. You never done this before, huh?
No, dude.
You never had something stuck in your ear before?
No, I have had that, but not like this. I've never had someone else do it, you know? Like,
oh,
I had a doctor put like the water in there, you know?
Dude, you're gonna be impressed how much shit comes out of your ears, dude.
Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
You'll be hearing music in a different way.
Oh, there you go, man. There you go.
You try to do it like a couple months. Don't do it too often because they don't have nothing to take off.
Yeah.
It'll go hurt.
Oh.
Yeah. When the last time you done it?
Never.
Like, never?
Okay, so you're good then.
Look at all the shit she's taking out. Oh my god, this is really scary, guys. My ear was bad, dude. That's why you should do this at least once a month when you're in Vietnam. Or as soon as you arrive, do this. I'm telling you, it's totally worth it, and you're gonna hear like you've never heard again in your life, dude.
Like when you start taking it out, it doesn't seem like it's very much. But like comes, oh man, yeah.
Dude, they go deep in there. They go deep in there. Here's what we have it with the other ear cleaning. How gross is this? Oh no. She took that all out from my ears, dude. That's really scary, guys. That's why you should do this as often as you can, because it clogs your ears up really bad, man. You don't realize until you get this done. You're like, whoa, I can hear a million times better, dude. Music has a different touch. It's crazy, bro. It's crazy. So we just got done with the ear cleaning. Fantastic, I gotta say. Wow, I feel like a new man. It's something that, please, if you come to Vietnam, you must do. It's life-changing. Now, we're gonna go get a shampoo and hair wash and a facial on her beautiful face with the mask. Let's get it.
Không, cái máy quay bên nhìn đẹp thiệt. Livestream á? Livestream nhìn đẹp.
Livestream lá.
Livestream. Okay.
Stay until the end of the video and I'll tell you exactly how much every single item costs. Which, to tell you the truth here, it's pretty fair, and they do really good job. They go above and beyond for the customer service. Because a lot of these places, it's more about the pretty ladies and not much the service. This place is more about the service. And that's what you want. I've tried quite a few of these around Saigon, and this one is one of the best. I mean, first of all, they're letting me record, so you know it's not dodgy. And the effort that she put into just cleaning my ears was fantastic. Look at this. I look like Nacho Libre, bro. So she just put this mask on me and it's freezing, dude. It's really cold. They had it on the fridge or somewhere. But yeah, dude, it's collagen for your face. So it's to make you look a little bit younger, I guess. And on top of that, she's gonna wash my hair in the meantime. Yo, what kind of service is this, son? I'm so happy. Me so happy. Oh. Thank you. beautiful hair wash. Now we're getting like a upper neck massage, dude, and it's just going deep in there, dude. Oh, it's nice though. Oh, I need it. My lats are killing. Incredible. I can already see my face. I look like a little baby because it's so smooth, bro. Damn. Oh. Damn. I was gotta say, the music here is so chill, so relaxed. The whole environment here, they got aircon here. We're all so comfy, dude.
Alright. Really nice.
This is good, huh?
Totally enjoying this.
This is amazing, bro.
Yeah, totally good.
It's been one of the best ones I've ever done, for sure. Okay, thank you so much. This has been something else, I have to say. It's pampering to a whole new level. Like, a massage can't even compete with this. This is a whole experience, dude. Experience, I have to say. Let's see how the other boys are doing. Hey,
You look pretty happy over there, man. How's it
oh
going?
my god, bro. Am I
Yeah.
happy, dude?
Yeah.
This is the happy ending that I didn't even know existed,
Oh, man.
bro. Just wait till you get yours, man.
Well, I gotta get shaved too, so it's gonna be a full different experience.
Yeah, dude.
Feels so good.
You feel so good, huh?
Yeah.
It's a weird feeling, huh?
It's totally fantastic. like newborn.
Like newborn, bro. Yeah. You're newborn, yeah. Pampering to a whole new level, I'm saying, dude. It's wow. It's being treated how you deserve to be treated for such an affordable and awesome price.
Oh, that was crazy, man. It was like when she's taking out the stuff, you hear like crackling, you know, and then it like comes out and she kind of shows it to you. You're like, oh man. But it was pretty awesome. But this is the best. Like
It gets better, bro. This is so good.
Better.
You're doing the facial as well, huh?
yeah.
Nice. So everyone is done with their pampering, and everyone's a happy man, I gotta say. How was your experience, bro? Did you
Good.
like it?
Yeah.
Yeah. You met some new friends?
Yeah. Oh, you record?
How was it?
Oh man, it was a 10. It was a 10.
Yeah.
It was awesome.
And that is the happy ending I was speaking of, guys. Like, yeah, nobody got jerked off or done all that weird stuff, but this place, it's not about that. They really take care of you. They pamper you in a level that you have never else felt before, and I highly recommend it, guys. At the end, we ended up picking 5 items from the list, which ended up totaling $380,000. And this is the cost for each item that we got from the list. But no joke, this was great value for money, especially how much time they spent taking care of us. 20 minutes on each ear. It was like 45 minutes of head washing, massage, crack my hands, massage my hands, put a facial on me. It was so beautiful, and the people here are very nice, so I highly recommend this place. Anyways, let me know what you guys think down below. As I said, I'm trying to get to 10,000 subscribers by the end of the year, so just make sure to hit that subscribe button. And if you already are subscribed, like and comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Christian Rodriguez, bye.